Ayaw ako.
Okay. Now, okay, let's set for the instructions.
Pero magja-jogging. Pero jogging.
Si Dana. Si Dana yung leader natin.
Jogging kita si Jazz.
Si Kuya Franco.
Japan.
What's our group name? What's our group name?
Okay.
Angels.
Now, listen. Okay. So, this is Family Feud. I believe you are not new to this. Napapanood niyo naman siguro to. But to read the instructions, ganito mangyayari. Okay? Per round, meron tayong dalawang teams na maglalaban. Okay? Now, para natin pipiliin yung teams na maglalaban, tutulong po ako dito. Okay? Ayan. Okay? Now, once you are called, kindly go in front. Okay? So, yung dalawang teams, yung isa dito, yung isa po dito. Okay? Now, before we start the game, per team, may team leader na mag-i-introduce ng team nila and then the members. In a creative way.
Okay, hindi ko kaya yan. Ay, hindi ako funny.
Okay. Okay, sana meron na kayong team captain.
Bravo,
Okay?
Angel number
Now,
1.
Ikaw na.
Angel number 1.
Okay, so once we begin the game, ganito bang gagawin natin. Okay, I will be choosing kung ano yung ating survey question. Okay? So, meron tayong Pinoy Fortune dito. Pipili kung ano yung question number. Okay? And then, nasa-flash dito sa screen. Okay? Now, okay? Ang una maglalaro per round ay yung dalawang team captains. Okay? Now, okay. Asan na ba yung markers natin? Okay. So, okay, I will be reading first the question, and then we will have to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and then go. Okay? So, paunahan yung dalawang team member, o team captains na mag-top 3 times ng ating table. Okay? So, kung sino yung mauna, sila yung unang nakuhula, or the team captain will select first yung ating list. Okay? For instance, itong group na to, yung team captain, ang nakuha niya, ang napitig niya is number 3, top 3 sa list. Pero, hindi pa yun yung pinaka-highest, di ba? So, may chance yung kabilang team captain na manghula nung 1 and 2. So, pag nakuha niya yun, sila ang maglalaro. Naintindihan? Okay, pero pag mababa yung kanyang score compared to the first team captain, therefore sila yung maglalaro. Naintindihan?